Your finger's over the buy button right now, isn't it? You want to tap it, but something's stopping you. You don't actually know what happens next. Millions of people download a trading app, get this far, and freeze. Not because they lack money, because nobody ever explained what a trade actually is. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you own the second that tap goes through, where your money goes, and where it doesn't. Let's make this simple. Picture it like an everyday pizza. Here's your task. Count every slice trade you see and guess how many actually pay the pizzeria. One slice at a time. Let's open the box because once you know how this works, that buy button stops being scary and starts making sense. This whole pizza is a company, one single business, before anyone else owns a piece of it. Right now, one owner has all of it. Now imagine it's cut into 8 equal slices. Each slice is one piece of ownership in that same company. Nothing else has changed, just the split. That one single slice actually has 3 different names: stock, share, equity. People use them like they're different things. They're really not. Same slice every single time. The very first time this pizzeria ever sells a slice to the public, that's called an IPO. It's a one-time grand opening, not an everyday event. Watch closely. Right here, that coin goes straight into the pizzeria's own pocket. This is the only moment in this entire video the company gets paid. That's officially trade number 1. Keep counting carefully. After this single moment, the pizzeria steps back completely. Everything from here happens between customers, not with them. This whole marketplace where slices officially get bought and sold is the stock exchange. It's just the recognized place where trading is allowed to happen. Real exchanges have real names too: the New York Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange. Different cities, different signs, same basic job, just hosting the trades. Notice something important. Nobody here works for the pizzeria anymore. Every hand you see belongs to a regular customer just like you, trading with each other. This right here, customer trading directly with customer, is what's called the secondary market. Almost every trade you'll ever personally make in real life happens right here. There's your second trade, right on schedule. Money's moving, a slice is quietly changing hands. But look closely. The pizzeria isn't anywhere near this counter at all. Trade 2 officially logged. Same question every single time from here on. Did that money just reach the pizzeria or just move between 2 customers? See that number above the stall? Nobody sits there setting it by hand. It moves on its own because of something simple: supply and demand. When a whole lot of people suddenly want in at once, more hands reaching for fewer slices, the price naturally climbs. That's demand pushing against limited supply. There it is, right on cue. Trade number 3. Notice the pizzeria is nowhere in this shot either. It's just 2 customers, 1 slice, and a price that keeps moving. Every company trading here gets a short code, like this one, a ticker symbol. It's just a nickname, so traders don't write the full name. That's it. 6 brand new ideas wrapped in one pizza: stock, IPO, exchange, secondary market, price discovery, ticker. Let's watch every one of them fly by once more. Company, shares, IPO, exchange, secondary market, price discovery, ticker. 6 ideas, 0 math required. Now let's see all of them actually happen in the real world. Scenario 1, some genuinely exciting news breaks about the pizzeria. Everyone suddenly wants a slice at once. Watch closely what that does and count the trade. There it is, right on schedule, trade number 4. A slice moves customer to customer again, price jumping because everyone wants in. Still nobody's paying the pizzeria. Scenario 2 now, an ordinary quiet Tuesday. No big news anywhere. Barely anyone's trading at all. Does that mean nothing's happening? Watch closely. Count carefully here. Trade 5, small, quiet, genuinely easy to miss, but it still counts just the same. 1 slice, 2 customers, the pizzeria is still nowhere in sight. Scenario 3 now, some genuinely bad news hits. People get nervous and want out fast. Watch the price now and keep counting that trade total. Trade number 6, slices moving back out, price falling, customers trading with customers, same as always. That's 6 total now. Time to guess your answer. 6 trades total all counted. Now here's the part almost every single beginner gets wrong, including people who've been trading for months without realizing it. Most people naturally assume every one of those 6 trades sends money straight to the pizzeria, like buying a fresh pizza each time. That's the mistake. 5 of your 6 counted trades never touched the pizzeria at all. That money went straight from one customer's pocket into another's, not the company's. Only trade one, the very first one, the IPO, ever actually paid the pizzeria anything. Every trade after that was just customers trading with each other. So when you finally tap buy today, you're almost certainly not paying that company directly at all. You're paying another investor, and that's completely normal. Final tally, 6 trades counted across this whole video. And your guess for how many paid the pizzeria? If you said just one, you're exactly right. 6 trades total, 1 single payment to the company, 5 between customers just like you. That's the whole secret behind what buying a stock really means. 6 ideas, 1 pizza. Now, you know exactly what happens the moment a trade goes through and exactly where your money does and doesn't go. Remember that hovering finger from the very start of this whole video? Now it finally knows exactly what it's about to do. That's the whole difference. That's what happens between the moment you tap buy and the moment you actually own something. Simple once you've seen it, one slice at a time.